Hello, good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh's classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss solution of the CSIR UGC NET December 2025 examination of chemical science. We are solving the question paper of the chemical science part B, section B. And today video we are going to discuss a question. The question is that consider the following statements. There are the four statements is given in this question and regarding the extraction and separation of lanthanoid from monazite. Okay, it's question from the inorganic chemistry and they are asking about the correct statement for the process of the separation of the lanthanides from there are monazite. Okay, so we read the state number one. First, I read the state number one. Monazite is primarily PO4 3 negative salt of lanthanide. It is the correct answer or not? The monazite, according to our concept, we can solve this question. And statement number one, monazite is primarily PO4 phosphate third ion salt of lanthanide. Okay, so now for the option number one, the concept is that the monazite is primarily phosphorus salt of the lanthanide. It is the correct option. Second statement is the monazite contains thorium along with lanthanide. Thorium along with lanthanide. Yes, it also correct because of the present in the same series. And option number third, lanthanide third ion. Lanthanide third ions are separated by using ion exchange column method. According to this, is separately by the ion exchange column method. Okay, that means the option number A, B, C is the correct answer. But technically, is there any doubt in the option number third? Now read the option number four. Statement number four is the lanthanide third ions are eluted from the column by using a aqueous acidic solution of H4 EDTA. Okay, the elution uses acidic EDTA. In this statement for the D, use of the acidic use of the acidic solution. Okay, acidic EDTA, use of acidic EDTA by the ion by the ion. And the correct is the pH control is key. pH control is the key point for it. Okay, so now option number A, option number B and option number D are the standard, but option number C is also correct technically. And you can check on the technically all options are right, but according to the our concept, the most correct option is the A, B, and D. According to our concept, we can choose the this option. Statement number A, statement number B, and statement number D is the correct answer. Okay. So now, uh, 1:1. That is the correct option is the one. Okay. A is the right answer.